Welcome! Today I'm showing how to change icon shape into a Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. First of all, open your Play Store and find X icon changer application, this one. Need downloading and installing. I've already done this, so click open. Now need choose your application from the list. Maybe it will be Brawl Stars. Now from the library choose your icon, shape, maybe like music will be nice. And click OK in the top right corner. Click. Wait a second for generating new icon. Then need close ads. And now when you see add to home screen, click add. And shortcuts to browser will be added into your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.